Hello guys, in this video we are going to just make a QR scanner uh, and our QR scanner program will also be capable to read the barcodes, and it will be also capable of reading the QR codes. Let's get started. First of all, you need the PySbar module. So let's import the PySbar module. You can install the PySbar module by simply typing pip install PySbar. We have imported it, and you need to import OpenCV. You have to write a pip install OpenCV contrib Python. Then it should be installed. Next, you need the NumPy module. NumPy. Next, we are going to create a function scan. Let's make the value to 0 and make a CA variable cv2 dot video capture 0. Okay, next we add a while loop. While I is less than 4, I give it an underscore here and a comma, then frame equals to ca dot read. It will read the frame, and then we have to decode it using the PySbar module. Decoded equals to PySbar dot decode, and it should decode frame. Next, we have to add a for loop for object in decoded. Then what should happen? It should print the object dot data. Next, let I equals to I plus 1. Next, the OpenCV2, the camera has been started in video capture command, so we have to now close the camera. Now if it sees a QR code, then only it should close the camera. So cv2.im show, inside it you have to write QR code comma frame. Now cv2 dot wait key 5, and next you have to destroy all the windows. So destroy all windows. Now we have to check it once. Let's check it. Okay, you need a QR code to scan. So you need a QR code. Just wait a minute. Our code is getting loaded. Okay, a colon is missing, and we have to indent it now. Now it is fine. Let's check it once. Here window has been opened. So just scan the QR. So here you can see that the QR code has been decoded. This is http://en.m.wikipedia.org. This was written in our QR code. So now how to import it in our Jarvis project? Let's check it. Okay, we are back to our Jarvis project, and here scan QR code in query, or scan barcode in query. It should scan QR scan dot scan. So we have to import QR scan here. Have to import here QR scan. This is the folder which we made, qrscan.py. Okay, now and our Jarvis should speak scanning. And it should speak scanning complete. Okay, we have to add inverted commas here. Now fine. Okay, so like, share, comment this video, and please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. So bye, have a nice day.